Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to use the Life360 app. To do this, go to Settings, and here you can view all the available settings. We're interested in circle management. Here you can edit the name of your family, your group, and make changes to it. You can add people here. To do this, just share this code with them. They enter it and get added to your circle. You can also share your location here. Next, account settings. Here's your phone number, email address, and if you tap on the account, you can change your profile photo and name, first and last name. Below that, you can sign out of your account, and on the map itself, you'll see other people. Here you can add a person or add your pet. And you can also add a school and everything else here. That's all for now. This was everyone. Bye.